Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt here. It's an exciting day today. Today I go over 6,000 miles. There's where I'm starting at, 59.97. Gonna go on a 12 or 13 mile ride today. That's what the bike looks like. Still looks good. I just put my new controller on there. And yeah. Actually not a new controller, a new controller box, because mine was cracked. If you want to see that, I'll put a link for that up above. It should be the last video I just did in the last bike video. But there's my tire, getting down in the middle there. It's beginning to get to the point where I'm going to have to think about changing it. But let's go ahead and get on my ride here. And the front tire, that's original front tire. It's got 6,000 miles on it. Looks really good. But yeah. So it's a real exciting day to go past 6,000 miles on my bike. Anyways, we're gonna get to riding. Here we go. 6,000 miles. All right. Well, getting out here. I'm gonna try to do my 6,000 mile review here. And all I got to say about the bike is wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's changed my whole life. Kind of windy, so hoping it's a pickup. But really changed my life. If you told me 2 years ago I'd be out this year riding a bike for 6,000 miles, I would have told you you're crazy. I had really bad back issues, and I spent most of the day on the floor in the living room, just laying there in pain. But I was looking on YouTube, and I seen these guys riding these one-wheel unicycles, and I knew that was out of the question. So kept looking around, and I saw e-bike. I said, "What's the deal with these e-bikes?" I didn't know nothing about them, and I said, "Well, for less than $1,000, I can give it a try." And so I ordered mine. And I got so excited about it. We went and we rented some bikes and spent the day at Tunnel Hill. I'll leave a link for that up above. The Tunnel Hill Park, which is a rails to trails type park. And we rode that day, and we had a blast of our life. And we were all sold on it then. So I had to order the girls one because they wanted to do it too. So. Yeah, we're going along here, and the rest is history. I just rode and had a few mishaps along the way. I'll try to link those. I said before, it makes me feel like I'm 16, and you don't feel like you're 16 when you do a face plant, but you get your mind off of what you're doing and stuff, you can have some problems, but for the most part, it just comes naturally. The very next day, I was out riding. Just past some Amish buggies. Anyways, the very next day, I was out riding again, so I rode like 30 miles the next day through the woods, so didn't let it stop me. But alrighty, I'll continue on here. $6,000 miles. Well, there you go, folks. 6,000 miles. But yeah, happy day, 6,000 miles. Not too shabby for an old man. Alrighty, keep riding here. Look at that nice pear tree. Someone probably planted it 100 years ago with the intent of feeding their family. And look at all the nice pears. We'll just let it go now. 6,000 before. And around this little block here, it's about 1.5 miles. And then we'll head back to the house. Beautiful day, about 64 degrees. I wonder if my doggies are out up here. The little boxer dog that runs after me up here. Let's see if he's out here. Oh, look at the trees. Look at the color on the trees. Sure is pretty. No, he's not out here today. See that dog that the girls were talking about? I don't think he's bothering nobody. Looks meaner than what he is. Looks meaner than what he is. Anyways, went 13. Got my glove. Gotta go back and get my glove because I dropped my glove. Gonna put my pogies back on, then I won't have to wear gloves for a while. There she is. Anyways, about 13.8 miles today, 13.9. And more importantly, I went over 6,000 miles. 6,011 miles. And I've done a few things on the bike, but it still has the original brakes on it, both front and back. I put a new free wheel cassette so I get higher gearing, along with a new chain when I did that, and a new tire. So this tire's got about 3,300 miles on it. And it's about ready. I have to change it again. But everything else is still original. I did put a new seat on. Now this is like my third seat. Finally got one I liked. Worked real good. Had one that was designed something like this, but after about 1,000 miles, the bar broke. But this one is really, really nice. I'll leave a link for it down in the description, along with all the other things I did on it. But and I wanted to prove to my wife that was a pear tree that I was seeing. And so I picked this up off the road. It was about 6 inches from the road, so no, I didn't steal it. It was being eaten by a honeybee. But I wouldn't classify that as stealing. So I found it on the ground, okay? Anyways, 6,011 miles. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt, and I thank you for watching. I'll leave a link for this bike down in the description. You can go over and check out the pricing. A lot of times they're on sale, and you can't beat the price that it is on a lot of them. Yeah, like I said, this bike has changed my life. So just go over and check it out and see what you think.